I put the buffalo sauce on there. Yo, we got the bike on the front of the bus joint right there. What's going on, fam? It's your man, Matt DV. We're here in Newark, New Jersey, and I'm going across the street here on Clinton Ave to a spot that I've been to a long time ago called Beyond Soul. We're here, man. We are in the hood, the neighborhood. That's the neighborhood of Newark, New Jersey, Clinton Ave, y'all. Some of y'all that was born and raised here know Clinton Ave might be a little rough back in the day, but it's calm now, you know, but you still gotta watch your left, your right, your right, your left, whatever side it is. Look behind you on the rear view mirror of the camera. Let's go check out Beyond Soul. All right, y'all, word is born. We about to cross this joint right here. That's downtown New York City's that way. That's uptown Irvington is that way. Right here, look like a new spot right here. It says cook with love, serve with soul. Soul Train, what y'all know about that right here? Beyond Soul. Let's see if we can walk up in here with our cameras and check it out. Let's see if the boss is here. She may not be here, y'all. Yo, they got the big fan right there just in case you hot. That feel good. Yo, what kind of juice is that, man?
Bouillon.
Oh, that's tea? Is it tea? What kind of juice?
Bouillon.
Booty Bay? Booty Bay juice. Booty Bay, y'all. All right, I'm lost. Maybe we do the two-piece whiting. Is the two-piece whiting a sandwich?
Is the two-piece whiting a sandwich?
Let's do that. I'm gonna do the two-piece whiting. All right. Yo, we here, y'all. This is Beyond Soul's new spot. And Naya, if you're watching this video, big up respect to you. You know we've been with you since the beginning. But she's not here. We just gonna go for the whiting because I don't know. Yo, if you're paying cash, it's $6. If you're paying card, it's $6.40. Oh, I got cash. It's something cash. You said $5? See that? You got tested, y'all.
What's the name?
The name is Matt DV, YouTuber from around the world. I came all the way from Cambodia to see Anaya. Y'all heard that, right?
How you spell his name?
M-A-T-T D-V. Matt DV. Yo, look at that cornbread. Is that cornbread or cake? That's cornbread. I already know. I'm testing it.
Two-piece whiting.
I got a two-piece whiting, y'all. Let's check it out, the fried spot. First, I gotta get my change. She thinks she playing. She playing with me, talking about $6. Yo, no shrimp? I should've got some shrimps. Holy jump. Oh, those shrimp look good. That grease, that's some good grease, y'all. See the color? That's some good grease. Yo, I should've got some shrimps too, y'all. Y'all seen them? Look right there, that joker in the deep fry. That's chicken in the deep fry, right? All of it looks good, yo. He just pulled some shrimp out of there, y'all. I'm already, all you gotta do is just look at everything in there frying, you're gonna be hungry instantly. Yo, he dropping that fish in there. Oh, he keeping it down. You see how he put that other basket on there, keeping that fish. Oh no, he double layering it. What? Yo. We about to eat. Word is born, y'all. We're in a town called Newark, New Jersey. It's in the United States of these America. Look at them nails. Where you get them? Okay, I'm done. See how she moved her hand real quick, y'all? Check it out, y'all. Check out that fish. I told y'all that batter was the bomb. Look at this. Ooh. Oh, let's see how it hold up. Ooh, okay. It flex. We wanted a little flex in it. I'm about to go put some hot sauce on that John. That's that Philly turn right there on them Johns. We got both of them. Let's go get the hot sauce. Where the hot sauce at? Where your hot sauce? Can I grab them? It's okay? Okay. All right, y'all. Let's check it out. That's the hot right there, right? Yeah. Word is born, y'all. Oh, huh? Buffalo. Oh, that's buffalo sauce, y'all. That's fine.
No, hot sauce doesn't, yeah.
It's similar, right?
Yeah,
That's that buffalo sauce, y'all. They got the packets. How y'all gonna pay me like that? All right, let's go out. Let's go out, y'all. I know y'all gonna be like, I'm cross-contaminating, putting the hot sauce on the bread. But let's go out here and check it out. Word is born, y'all. We out here on Clinton Ave. This is the women center right down there. A friend of mine worked there. New York City is that way. And then, like I said, Irvington up that way, liquor store. Let's sit right here and check this joint out. I put the buffalo sauce. Oh, I'm about to fall down on the chair, y'all. Hold up, wait a minute. You don't want to lean too hard on that chair. They got dining outside, y'all. Y'all believe this? Let's go for this fish first. We not even gonna put it on the bread, y'all. This hot sauce, but I'm gonna be honest, I want some mustard too on my fish. That's the buffalo. I put the buffalo sauce on there. It's really crispy. Really crispy. It's hot. That batter's really good, y'all. See that batter on there? It's a little crispy, and look at it, it's delicious. But if it was my choice, I would have took it out maybe 30 seconds earlier. Tastes really fresh. I'm about to throw it on the bread, y'all. And we're gonna put some of this hot sauce on there. Check it out. What kind of hot sauce is that? That's that chef quality John right there. Let's check it out, y'all. Hold up, I thought I'd be able to pick it. I used to be stronger than that. We're gonna put this on it too. Here it is. Let's do it like this. Right on top there. And now I'm gonna sandwich it. All right, I'm gonna sandwich it now. All right, I'm done. There it is right there. Put it in between these two pieces of wheat bread. They didn't ask me if I wanted wheat or white. They gave me wheat. I might have said white. I like this. I like this a lot. Y'all don't know. I used to hang out here when I was younger. Look at the 70 bus right there, look. That was a 70 bus. Hold on, let me get y'all back right. That joker really crispy. I mean, it's like hard crispy, you feel me? I really do like mine a little not this well done. But I like my chicken that well done. You know what I'm saying though? I want my fish to flex a little bit. Just flex a little bit. I'm gonna break this open. See, that flesh in there is good. But I just think it was, for me, a little overcooked. Now some people probably like in my neighborhood here, in my hood of Newark, we want stuff well done. But I know that fish in the deep fryer takes about, this size fish, about 3 minutes to cook. That batter is the bomb though. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up, y'all. If I was to give this fish a score, and I've had her oxtails. They sell oxtails here, macaroni and cheese, greens. Those were definitely 9-10s. I would give her a fish. This fish that I just ate, I would give it a 7. Here on Clinton Avenue in Newark, New Jersey. People love this food, man. They're coming in and out, and I've heard some things about this new spot, man, that's been awesome. So y'all come out, check out Beyond Soul here on Clinton Avenue in Newark, New Jersey. Take this home and get a great Welch's soda from the bodega. Yo, I'm here on Irvin Turner and Clinton Avenue. Hudson. You got the church over there that's been over there since I can remember. I know I'm shining into the sun. You got the fire department here. Right? I'm just doing this, right? This is like a little after video for those that be like, I wish you would have went down the street and videotaped here a little bit. We down the street videotaping here a little bit. That's Irvin Turner, y'all. All the people that came to Newark to make that money are leaving it now. Because it's right. Oh, well. They're going towards Route 78, which is that way. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. Yeah. There we go, right there. And then this how you have the cars is kind of halfway in the road. All right, I'm gonna go down. Oh, lost the shoe. You got the watermelon man down here, y'all. Where my Thailand people at? Where the Thailand people at? Let's see what's the watermelons, yo. Let's see. Oh, they ain't got something. Oh, they people stopping and ordering. I gotta see what's up, yo. Oh, they got pineapple. That pineapple look ripe as a mug. See how yellow it is? Those watermelons got the seeds. Oh yeah, how much are they?
20.
20 bucks?
How much is the watermelon? 20? Oh, 120.
$20, y'all, right here on the corner. Come check him out. Check them out. I'm telling you, those pineapples is what you want. But see how they look yellow? That's how you can tell when they ripe. Word is born. Thank you, brothers. And they got grapes too, man. That's that healthy food. Y'all gotta come check it out. But look, y'all, when we were younger, right? We used to try to light these on fire. We thought they were cigars. I don't know why. Who told us that, yo? People, that's the thing about, sometimes people just say stuff on the news and we believe it automatically, or somebody will say something. I'm having fun just walking around the hood where I grew up, born and raised, Newark, New Jersey. Hey. A lot of people got shot around this area back in the day. I just thought of Tez, like, why I had to mention that, right? That a lot of people got shot back here back in the day. But the whole thing is turning over, man. Different people are living here, different people are moving in, different people are moving out. I think Newark has a bright future. I really think so. You know? And a lot of people talk about my home. My mayor, Ras Baraka. I think he's doing as good as a job as he knows how. And I think he's one of the best to do it. And the one thing I do know is nobody's perfect. But do you have the mayor in your meditation? Are you praying for him? That's what counts. Sorry for the little burp I did. I did just eat fish. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you been hanging with the wrong people. But you're hanging with the right cat now. I love you guys. See you at the next one. Peace.